Hi, today we're going to teach on how to save files on Google Drive. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's begin. Let's say that you want to save a file from a shared Google Drive link. The first thing you need to do is to make a new folder. This is only a sample, and from here, we're just going to look for the desired files to be saved. Let's say that we're going to use, or we're going to choose this. We're going to save this one right here. The first thing we need to do is to download that file. Imagine that this is only a shared file and we don't own this Google Drive link or files. Now, we're going to go back to our folder that we just made, and from the save file that we did, we're going to simply upload that file into that Google Drive file. And that's how you save files on Google Drive. I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.